to another exciting unboxing. You know, if you watch this channel, I love unboxing new products, and Instax come up with some really nifty cool ideas. Welcome to a look at this, the Instax Mini 41, a retro style camera, but in typical Instax fashion. It's a compact, portable, go-anywhere ability to take photos and print them while on the go. Looking at the body on the box here, it looks really cool. I love the retro style design. It's got a little selfie mirror on the front so you can take those great selfies when out and about. But like in typical Instax fashion, we've covered it before. Links will be in the description below. You get film which you can buy to take along with you. Take it traveling, take it out with friends. They really are cool. You peel them open, you insert them into the camera, and you print your favorite memories. So with that being said, let's jump into quickly what comes inside the box and then spend a bit of time shooting with the Instax Mini 41. Let's unbox the Mini 41 and see what comes inside the packaging. And you're greeted firstly here with the camera on the top. Lovely presentation. Don't just take, give Instax. You got the bag here, and inside is the camera itself. Looks really cool on the hand. I love the retro style ring lens here, which pops out. A little selfie function that turns it on. You got a built-in flash, which is auto. You got the camera printer, and of course you can load your film here as well. You simply open it up, and that's where you load the film. Let's put it down for a second, see what else comes inside the box. Well, we've got an instructional card here to load the Insta software, a manual in an array of languages, and that pretty much covers what comes inside the box. So let's now jump into it, see what it's like using the Insta41 camera. It's great feeling in the hands. You've got a lanyard style strap, and this here is the button for snapping away photos. Let's load the film that's been included. Let's open it up and load it. First things first, now we've just taken out a new film. Let's load it up into the camera. Close the door here. Turn the camera on. You can see the light indicates that it's on. And let's take the first sample just to see that it's printing. That there is your first sample style print. And now let's take a look at using the camera. Opening it there will engage the lens to start operating. Now let's try snap away at a photo. Let's photograph the box, for instance. Just like that, the picture comes out, and give it up to 90 seconds. The picture will develop and be ready to be enjoyed.